All right. So.
Wait, Dad.
What?
Okay, wait, hold on.
Dude. Not in the face.
I'm not.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
Wait, I have a question.
Okay.
Do they sit in here?
They feed in there. This thing's awesome. Look at the speed here, guys. Look at the fence over there.
Hold down the trigger.
I don't want to waste all my bullets. Look at these things. This is like, dude. Ow. Ow. Am I hitting you? Okay. All right. We can't use all the bullets. These things are so awesome.
I barely even used a little bit, Dad. Take off your sweatshirt. No.
Wait, I'm the cameraman. Holy cow, no. Ow. Not in the face. Hey, whoa! Hey! He's got cover. Dude. Hey! Ow. Dude, these things shoot so far. You can't even see how fast they're going. They're like crazy though. They're going all the way across over there. Whoa! Hey! You gotta hold your gun upright. Hey, it's all right. It'll just push it on the end there. You need this. No. Yes.
I'm gonna do it without the barrel one. I don't think it changes anything. Wait.
Whoa. Whoa. Aim lower, guys.
Yeah, what's the range like?
Dude.
I think, no, this is farther.
I think it shoots farther with the suppressor on there.
Dude, you have like thickest pockets. No, that's like you're shooting my wallet.
Okay, wait. Why am I getting shot? The cameraman. Hey, what?
That's not fair.
Things are so. No. Dude, these things are awesome. You're gonna run out of bullets. Oh man. Not in the face.
Oh, I'm out.
He's out. He's out. Okay. Oh, he's not out. Ow.
Oh no.
No, he's out. Oh man, these things are cool. Hey, yo. All right, let's get a gun view here. Whoa, you're pointing at my face here. Yeah, that's the gun
POV.
cam. All right, run. Yeah. Now who's the cameraman? Gets a little payback. This thing's so, how far does it shoot? Does it go all the way to the fence?
Yeah, it goes way past the fence.
Dude, that hits like all the way to the fence. If you guys can see those going out there. This is so cool.
Looking good. It's out.
Thanks, Joe. All right.
Out.
Hey,
I'm
hey, hey, hey.
Okay, now we're out.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. These things are awesome.